In this video, I'm going to show you how to invest in the S&P 500 on Robinhood. So number one is you need to open a Robinhood account and make sure that you do fund it. So you could do this by linking a bank account and then depositing funds into your Robinhood account. So I'm assuming that a majority of you guys who are watching this video have already done those steps. So now it's time to actually invest in the S&P 500. So the S&P 500 is an index, so you can't invest in it directly. Instead, you need to invest in exchange traded funds, also known as ETFs or mutual funds that track the S&P 500. Now, there's many great options out there, but the one that I actually recommend is the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. So in order to look for it, all you want to do is you want to go over here to the stocks option in the bottom menu. Then you want to go to the search bar right over here and then just look up VOO, and then it will actually appear. So here's the Vanguard Standard & Poor 500 ETF. So from here you guys can go ahead and actually take a look at the position and stuff like that, and then you can set it to max. And just for clarification, like the S&P 500 is like one of the best investments out there in my opinion. It's stable. Of course, there's ups and downs like any other investment, but it's certainly a great way to diversify your portfolio. But anyways, all you would need to do is you need to go ahead and press on trade. Once you're here, all you need to do is you need to go ahead and select on a buy, just like so, and select how much of the S&P 500 you would like to purchase. So for this video, I'm just going to be investing something small, $100, and then all you want to do is you want to go ahead and swipe up to submit. Then it is going to send the order. And check this out, guys. It actually did work. So all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on done. Then go ahead and press on done one more time, and you are now investing in the S&P 500. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.